Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Meteorologist Zach Batten here for the Bell Park Weather Network. I hope those of you that got some snow yesterday and overnight were able to just kind of enjoy it. The snow didn't really cause too many impacts outside of those of you in Northeast Ohio. The rest of us saw some heavy snow for a little bit, just long enough to coat the ground in some places. The really southern half of the state, most of it probably melted on contact. But this is just a little bit of a reminder that winter is here, or at least right around the corner. So this will be a sight that becomes much more common as we go through the next couple of months. Shout out to Mariah Stoner for the pictures you see in the background that was taken during the snow yesterday. The farmers out there are still trying to get their crops out of the field while they can. Let's go ahead and take a look at your temperatures through the day today. Most of us start off in the upper 20s to low 30s, the exception being Northeast Ohio, in particular near the lakeshore, where you're going to be warmer, just because the water right now is still in the mid to upper 50s in most spots. So Cleveland, you're likely starting out around 37 or so in the morning, still seeing a mix of rain and snow. The lake effect snow still trying to hang on as some of that moisture gets squeezed out of it and the temperatures warm up through the day. You'll likely transition to just some rain showers, and eventually everything will taper off and you might actually see some sun by day's end. Everyone's going to warm up into the 40s, and outside of the areas dealing with the lake effect snow this morning, it's actually going to be a pretty great day. A little cool, but it's November now, so what do you expect? But plenty of sunshine to go around for just about everybody. Taking a look at your radar here through the day, these are actually temperatures. You can see starting off in the morning, everyone pretty much in the upper 20s, low 30s. As we move through the day, we warm up into the 40s for just about everyone, really. A few spots, especially some of the lower lying areas, and then some of the higher elevations will also be hanging out in the 30s potentially. But everybody should at least come close to 40. So if we swap on over here to take a look at your radar for the day, we'll back it up a little bit. Start off this morning. As we move through the day, you see still some lingering snow hanging on there in Northeast Ohio. Like I said, as we go through the day, there's really not much moisture that's going to be left. So that snow and eventual rain showers as it warms up will taper off. And then we go through the overnight and into Thursday. Things quiet down and we're still just a little chilly. However, winds do shift from the northwest as they are now back to the south and southwest. So that will help bring a little bit warmer air in for the rest of the week and into your weekend, which we will detail a little bit later. For now, I thank you all for joining me this morning. Again, I'm meteorologist Zach Batten for the Bell Park Weather Network. Don't forget to find us on Facebook at Ohio News and Weather, where you'll see all of our updates. And then, of course, like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, all that fun stuff. Really helps us out. And it's nice to know kind of what everyone's doing with this information, or if it's helping you out in any way. I'm meteorologist Zach Batten. Have a great day, everyone.